Hello friends, today is our last lesson of this unit and we're going to be doing some vocabulary and language review from the lessons in this unit. So for questions 1 through 3, the directions say, answer whether the quote is a simile or a metaphor. So remember, both similes and metaphors compare two things. The difference is that a simile uses the words like or as to make that comparison. So you're looking for the words like or as. That would be a simile. If it doesn't use those words, it'll be a metaphor. Number 1, my blue skirt popped up and down as if jumping beans lived in my leg. Number 2, my legs were like cooked spaghetti. Number 3, it was Christmas and my birthday and the 4th of July all at the same time. Okay, now we're going to do some vocabulary. So number 4, the quote is, I had lived with excruciating pain and with loneliness and uncertainty about the future. What does the word excruciating mean in the quote above? Remember your strategy for vocabulary, fill in the blank, and look for any context clues within that quote that can help you. Number 5, you were already here and diagnosed when you needed oxygen. Some people who have respiratory polio are not that fortunate. What does the word respiratory mean in the sentence above? Number 6, I insisted I would never be adept on the accordion, and Dad kept saying it would be a breeze. What does the word adept mean? Number 7, Dad began to play. Instead of squeaks and squawks, he played beer barrel polka flawlessly from start to finish. What does the word flawlessly mean? Number 8, we gazed at him and at each other in astonishment. What does the word gazed mean in the sentence above? Number 9, the trick of playing a melody on the keyboard with one hand, pushing the proper chord buttons with the other hand, and at the same time pushing and pulling on the accordion itself was completely beyond me. What does the word melody mean in the sentence above? And lastly is a review question. What is not a purpose of a topic sentence? All right, that is it for this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed reading about narratives and different people's lives, and I will see you next time. Bye, Adams.